Good evening, town meeting members. My name is Mike Cronin. I'm the Director of Public Facilities for the town of Lexington. Tonight, I'd like to talk about Article 27, the 173 Bedford Street renovation. What is the need? What are the building components that are needed for this renovation? How long will the work take? And how much will this cost? What is the need? As you all remember, 173 Bedford Street was recently used by both the fire department and police departments as swing space while their facilities were being constructed. Both departments operated on the first floor only. In order for the town or school departments to utilize the building as swing space, program needs indicate that the second floor will be required because of the size of the departments. What building components are needed? In order for the full building to be occupied, a fire suppression system is required to be installed. Currently, there is no sprinkler system in the building. Also, there is no elevator within the building. A requirement of occupancy for full accessibility to the entire building is to have this elevator. A multi-stop elevator would be required to be installed. The HVAC system only works on one floor. The entire second floor is inoperable and requires replacement. Lastly, some minor modifications to interior finishes, partition relocation, and removal of the police department holding cells would be required for the occupants. As you can see in these three schematic layouts, this little yellow box that you can see is the proposed location of the elevator that will need to be installed. If you enter into the building from Bedford Street and you go into the first little lobby area, the elevator will be located immediately on your right-hand side. How long will the work take to complete? Since last year's annual town meeting, we have had architects and engineers working on the building assessment and designs and expect to be complete by early summer 2024. If approved, bidding will take place in the August and September timeframe of this year. Construction, we anticipate taking approximately 8 months, allowing the building to be ready for occupancy July 1st of 2025. How much will the project cost? Well, ultimately, the project will be budgeted at about $6 million. The sprinkler system, we're estimating at about $400,000. The elevator, about $750,000. The HVAC system, which is a new all-electric HVAC system, will be about $3.2 million. Electrical infrastructure, because of the elevator and because of the all-electric system, we need to bring in additional power to the building, which will require a new transformer and a new main switchgear. Soft costs, including architect work and some contingencies, roughly $600,000, and then some interior or some site modifications were estimated at $550,000. Again, the grand total, $6 million. Lastly, the appropriation for Article 27. We're requesting town meeting to appropriate $6 million to be used for the bidding, contract administration, and all appropriate project costs for the renovation of 173 Bedford Street. Thank you very much.